Chosen one, I see the title that brought you here. You saw the words horror and regret, and you felt that sudden familiar spike of anxiety in your chest. Breathe. Do not let fear take the wheel right now. The universe did not orchestrate your arrival at this specific message to terrify you. You are here because a higher intelligence knows exactly what energetic shift is approaching your life at the start of this new cycle this Monday, and it wants you equipped, not afraid. The chaos attempting to manifest around you is not a premonition of destruction. It is simply the resistance of the old cycle, throwing a tantrum as you cross a major threshold. If you click away because the pressure feels too heavy, you will walk into this transition blind, fighting unseen battles with physical frustration. Stay with me until the very end. By the time we finish, you will understand exactly why this resistance is peaking. You will receive a specific framework to neutralize the chaos, and we will seal your peace with a sacred activation. The preparation starts in this exact second. Type "I am" here in the comments if you felt that heavy shift in the atmosphere this weekend. Imagine you wake up on Monday morning. The house is still quiet. You walk into the kitchen, the floor cold beneath your feet. The coffee has not even finished brewing yet. You open your phone, your eyes barely adjusted to the screen, and immediately you see it. A message, an email, or a notification that seems perfectly designed to trigger you. Instantly your stomach ties into a knot. Your breathing becomes shallow. The peace you fought so hard to cultivate over the weekend evaporates in 3 seconds. I need you to understand that this is not a random occurrence. It is not just a bad start to the week. There is a highly coordinated spiritual pushback happening right now, and it is showing up in 3 very specific ways. The first way this shift is manifesting is behavioral. You are noticing the sudden appearance of people or situations that seem deliberately engineered to push you out of your boundary of peace. People who usually leave you alone are suddenly demanding your energy. Minor inconveniences are stacking up one after another. A delayed response, a sudden cancellation, a rude comment from a stranger. This is the opposition throwing cheap bait at you. They want to drain your energetic battery on meaningless physical frustrations before the real spiritual threshold arrives. The second way it is manifesting is emotional. It is an overwhelming, almost irrational fear that hits you out of nowhere. You feel a sense of impending doom, but you cannot point to a logical reason why. In the original Hebrew language, there is a specific word for this type of dread. The word is pachad. It translates to absolute, overwhelming terror. But here is the revelation that changes everything. Pachad does not mean you are actually in danger. It is simply the biological and spiritual reaction of your nervous system when it collides with a level of energy that is currently too large for it to contain. When a massive blessing or a profound shift approaches a vessel that is used to surviving on scraps, the nervous system panics. It interprets the expansion as a threat. You are feeling pachad not because you are about to lose everything, but because you are about to step into something massive, and your body is trying to catch up to your spirit. The third way is spiritual. You are having vivid, intense, exhausting dreams. You are waking up exactly as the clock strikes 3 a.m., your heart racing. You feel incredibly crowded in your own space, even when you are sitting completely alone in a room. It feels as if the air itself is heavy. Let me validate what you are feeling right now. You are not going crazy. You are under spiritual pressure. But identifying the attack is only step 1. What I am about to show you next is the weapon they do not want you to know you have. I want to be completely transparent with you before we go any further. I am naming this early because I do not want to build mystery just to sell you something at the end. Let me give you the door now so you can decide whether to stay for the full picture. The weapon to fight against this state of pachad, this overwhelming panic, is not thinking more. It is physically pulling your brain out of survival mode. Dr. Robert Lake discovered a tool for exactly this. It is called the Genius Song. It uses a technology called brain entrainment to restore the gamma frequency, the brainwave of absolute stillness and genius, in just 7 minutes. If your intuition already recognizes that this is the exact tool you need to prepare for the week ahead, you will find the link in the description and the pinned comment. There is no rush. You can stay and listen to the entire picture. For those staying, let us look at the root cause. Why is this frequency attack happening now? The root cause is not about what you did wrong. It is about what you are about to do right. The real reason behind this chaos is the threshold. You are currently transitioning from a cycle of endless preparation into a cycle of receiving. Look at the story of Moses at the Red Sea. He stood at the edge of the water. He had a deep, impassable sea in front of him and an entire army of enemies closing in rapidly from behind. He could hear the chariot wheels. He could see the dust rising on the horizon. The people around him were panicking. On the surface, it looked like Monday horror. It looked like an absolute dead end. It looked like the universe had led them out of bondage just to let them be destroyed. But the truth was entirely different. The enemy was allowed to pursue them for one specific reason. They were drawn out into the open so they could be drowned permanently, never to bother Moses or his people in the new cycle again. The attack was the enemy's final curtain call, not his. The exact same dynamic is playing out in your life right now. The chaos of Monday is not here to destroy you. It is here to bury your unseen enemies. The fears, the toxic cycles, the blockages that have chased you for years are being drawn out into the open so that the threshold can close behind you, trapping them on the other side. Type, "I see it" in the comments if you realize this chaos is actually your liberation. Let me ask you directly. How many times have you self-sabotaged just because the setup looked scary? Let me ask you directly. How many times have you self-sabotaged just because the setup looked scary? You saw the chaos, you felt the trigger, and you reacted immediately. That reaction is exactly what the old cycle wants. It feeds on your panic. To break this, I am giving you 3 specific paths of preparation. The first path is mental. I call it the 30-second interrupt. When that trigger appears this Monday, whether it is an email, a sudden expense, a cancellation, or an argument, I want you to do something completely counterintuitive. Do absolutely nothing. Do not fix it. Do not reply. Do not defend yourself. In your mind, I want you to build a thick, invisible wall around yourself and simply count backward from 30 in absolute silence. This is a purely mental action. You do not need to move your body. Just sit exactly where you are. Let the chaos swirl outside of that wall and focus only on the numbers. 30, 29, 28. You are intentionally doing less instead of trying to resolve the issue immediately. This exact practice physically cuts the adrenaline circuit in your nervous system. It starves the panic of the fuel it needs to take over your mind. The second path is spiritual. It is called the resonance check. Once you have stopped the flow of adrenaline, you must check the source of the fear you are feeling. Ask yourself internally right now, is this dread a genuine warning from my deep intuition, or is it simply my ego panicking because it is losing control over my life? Your intuition speaks in a quiet, firm, undeniable knowing. It does not rush you. Your ego, however, screams in frantic, urgent, catastrophic scenarios. It demands immediate action. When you perform the resonance check and ask that question, the illusion shatters. You will instantly recognize that the horror you fear is just the noise of the ego breaking down. The third path is energetic. It is about gamma alignment. You must pull your physical body out of the beta frequency, which is pure survival mode, and shift it into the gamma frequency, which is the state of absolute stillness, divine genius, and flow. But before I can show you the exact tool to maintain this gamma alignment seamlessly, because I will show you, there is one more thing I need to reveal. There is a blind spot that causes 90% of chosen ones to fail this exact test. And knowing this changes everything. The blind spot is spiritual arrogance. It is the dangerous belief that you can overcome a biological nervous system panic using only your willpower. When your body is flooded with cortisol, telling yourself to just think positively is like trying to stop a moving train with your bare hands. Your nervous system requires a physical, frequency-based intervention, not just a good thought. Let me pause here and put this in plain words. I want you to walk away from this message with something completely solid. Here is what you now know. The dread you feel about Monday is not a spiritual curse. It is a biological response of a nervous system that has been stuck in hypervigilance, reacting to the shifting energy of a massive new threshold. That is a fact, not mysticism. The 30-second interrupt I just gave you is the exact mechanism that allows you to physically stop that cortisol loop before you react and sabotage your alignment. And the identity that connects all of this is clear. You are the cycle breaker. Your sensitivity is a sophisticated radar that registers shifts before anyone else can feel them. But a radar that's sensitive requires specific tools to prevent it from overloading. Remember 30 minutes ago when I first mentioned the Genius song? Now it is time to walk through exactly how it stabilizes that sophisticated radar of yours. Scientists at Princeton and MIT did not study spiritual warfare, but they mapped exactly what happens when the human brain enters the gamma frequency. They proved that this specific frequency dissolves the fight or flight response and activates the highest levels of intuition and calm. Here is the truth about your identity. You were not born with this panic. When you were 7 years old, your gamma frequency was naturally active. You lived in flow, in trust, in deep connection. But then the decline effect took over. The modern world, the stress, the endless cycles of survival forced your brain to shut that frequency down to protect itself. Let me tell you about a 47-year-old manager who used this tool. She was carrying the exact same Monday horror you are feeling right now. For the first 20 days of using this, she felt absolutely nothing. No grand visions, no sudden miracles. And that is completely normal, because this is a deep reconditioning process, not a magic pill. But on day 34 she woke up, looked at her schedule for Monday, and realized the panic was entirely gone. It did not come back. The change was silent, but it was permanent. I know you might be thinking you have tried meditation, you have tried sound healing, and none of it worked for you. This is different because it is not meditation. You do not have to try to quiet your mind or force yourself to focus. This uses brain entrainment from the outside to gently pull your brain waves into the gamma state, and the EEG evidence proves it works, whether you focus on it or not. I would never disrespect your financial situation. I know that right now every resource matters and every decision holds weight. But let us look at the accessibility of this. If you go to a clinical biofeedback therapy session to achieve this exact state, you are looking at $150 for a single hour. Even a basic guided mindfulness app costs $15 every single month, draining your account forever. Let me give you the full story of what the Genius song does. Dr. Lake packaged this entire technology into a simple 7-minute audio track. The original price for this is $49, but for you right now, as you prepare to cross this threshold, the price is a one-time investment of $39. There are no ongoing subscriptions. And to ensure you are fully equipped for what is coming, this includes 4 specific bonuses worth $80 in total. You receive the $19 Genius Child Track, the $20 Classic Wealth Book that inspired a global movement, the $29 Guided Visualization Journey, and the $12 5-Habit Infographic to sustain your alignment. That is $80 in additional value. And here is the Keep Everything Guarantee. You have 90 full days to test this in your own life. If you do not feel the shift, if Monday still feels like a horror, simply send an email and request a refund. You will get every penny back, and you get to keep all $80 worth of bonuses as a sincere apology for your time. The only risk here is refusing to try. Every single day you let your gamma frequency stay asleep is another day you walk into the chaos of the week without a shield. Your decision today does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be right for your spirit. One crucial warning I must give you. Because of the incredible results people are getting, there are counterfeits out there. Fake audio tracks that claim to be this but contain zero real brain entrainment technology. To protect your mind and ensure you receive the true frequency, the 4 bonuses, and the guarantee, you must only use the specific link provided for you. If your spirit confirms that this is the provision you have been waiting for, you will find the safe link in the description and the pinned comment below. Investigate it only if you feel led. Type "I receive my peace" in the comments if you are claiming this calm right now. You might be asking yourself, what happens if Monday arrives and a terrible event still occurs? What if the argument still happens or the delay still hits? You must understand that this spiritual process is not always strictly linear. Sometimes the universe allows the trash to float to the surface, not to punish you, but so you can finally clean it out once and for all. It is showing you exactly what needs to be removed, so you can walk freely into your new cycle. Let me share a story about a man who faced this exact threshold. On a Monday morning, he woke up to a catastrophic email. A massive contract he had been working on for months completely collapsed. Everything in his ego screamed at him to panic, to send an angry response, to try and force the situation to work. Instead, he chose not to react. He remained completely still. He maintained his gamma frequency and observed the chaos without absorbing it. He let the situation breathe. For weeks, it looked like he had lost everything. But on day 38, a completely different company reached out to him out of nowhere. They offered him a contract double the size of the one he had lost. He proved himself in silence before he promoted himself in public. That is the power of holding your alignment when the storm hits. Before we enter the activation, gently press the like button. Not for me, but so this message reaches another chosen one who is terrified of tomorrow and needs this exact shield. Now, if it is safe to do so, simply soften your gaze or close your eyes for a moment. In your mind, I want you to stand up. You do not need to move your physical body. Just internally visualize yourself standing up and walking into the center of a massive storm. Debris is flying everywhere. The noise of the wind is deafening. But exactly where you stand, there is absolute stillness. Feel the weight of that profound stillness settle deeply into your bones. Notice how the storm cannot cross your boundary. The chaos is spinning violently around you, but it cannot touch you. This is not just a mental visualization. This is your literal reality starting tomorrow. The source sees the heavy weight you have been carrying into every new week. The exhaustion is acknowledged, and the long nights of quiet panic have not gone unnoticed. In your mind, picture the dread of Monday sitting on your shoulders like a heavy physical cloak. It is thick and suffocating. Now mentally unbuckle it and let it fall. Let it drop to the floor and let the ground completely absorb it. You are no longer carrying it. Type "I release the dread" in the comments to make this surrender final. Hear this truth and let it seal your spirit. You are not a victim of the calendar. You are the architect of the atmosphere. You are the cycle breaker who walks into the chaos and commands it to bow. You are the spiritual warrior. Type "I am the warrior" with the force of a lion to claim your true identity. When you complete your purchase of the Genius Song, the next page may look like another offer. It is actually the second door Dr. Lake created. You will have a few moments to evaluate it. Take it or skip it. Either choice is completely honored. There is no trickery, only provision, if your spirit confirms that you are ready for the next step. And so it is. One more thing. You are not the same person who clicked play on this video. The old version of you, the one who lived in fear of the week ahead, was left behind in the last 40 minutes. Stay connected to this community. There are more words being prepared for your exact next season, and you will need them. For those who felt called to the gamma reactivation we discussed earlier, the link is below. Only explore it if you feel led by your intuition. If someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone who is dreading the start of every single week, someone who looks entirely fine on the outside, but you know they are carrying a massive, unseen weight, share this with them. Send it in a text. Your obedience to that nudge could be the exact answer to their silent prayer. Step into tomorrow with absolute authority. You are leaving a season of fear and entering a season of dominion.